Ever felt like you're staring at a digital form, a sea of blank spaces, and thought, man, I wish I could just add something else here? Something specific to my business, my workflow, my data? You're not alone. We've all been there, especially when we're talking about a powerful platform like NetSuite. Think about it. You've invested in this robust system. It's supposed to streamline everything, right? But then you run into a roadblock. You need to track a unique piece of information, maybe a customer's preferred communication method, or a specific project code for a particular type of order. The standard fields just don't cut it. You're left feeling like you're trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. That's where fields in NetSuite come into play. They're the unsung heroes, the customizable building blocks that transform a generic system into a tailored powerhouse. They're the key to unlocking NetSuite's true potential. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's paint a quick picture. Imagine you're building a house. You've got the foundation, the walls, the roof of the basic structure. But you also need to decide where the windows go, where the electrical outlets are placed, what kind of doorknobs you want. Those details, those customizable elements, that's what fields are in NetSuite. Essentially, fields are containers for data. They allow you to capture, store, and manage information within NetSuite. Think of them as the individual cells in a spreadsheet, but with far greater flexibility and integration. They're what gives NetSuite its adaptability, allowing it to cater to the diverse needs of businesses across various industries. So, what exactly are these magical fields? At their core, fields are data elements within NetSuite records. A record, in NetSuite terms, is a collection of related information. Think customers, vendors, sales orders, items, employees. Each of these is a record type. And within each record type, you'll find a series of fields. NetSuite comes with a vast library of standard fields, covering a wide range of common data points. But the real power lies in the ability to create custom fields. This allows you to extend the system beyond its built-in functionality and capture information that's specific to your business. Let's break down the types of fields you'll encounter in NetSuite. Standard fields. These are the predefined fields that come with NetSuite. They're designed to handle common data points that are relevant to most businesses. Examples include customer name, address, item description, and transaction date. Custom fields. These are the fields that you create yourself. They allow you to capture information that's unique to your business. You can create custom fields for any record type in NetSuite. And within these categories, you'll find various data types. Freeform text, for capturing any type of text, like notes, descriptions, or comments. List/record, for selecting values from a predefined list or linking to other records within NetSuite. Date, for capturing dates. Time, for capturing times. Integer number, for capturing whole numbers. Decimal number, for capturing numbers with decimal points. Checkbox, for capturing true/false or yes/no values. URL, for capturing web addresses. Email address, for capturing email addresses. Phone number, for capturing phone numbers. Image, for capturing image files. Now let's talk about the real-world impact. Why are fields so important? Data capture and organization. Fields allow you to capture and organize data in a structured and consistent manner. This makes it easier to find, analyze, and report on your data. Customization and flexibility. Fields allow you to tailor NetSuite to your specific business needs. You can capture information that's relevant to your industry, your workflows, and your reporting requirements. Improved reporting and analysis. By capturing relevant data in custom fields, you can generate more insightful reports and analyses. This can help you make better business decisions. Enhanced workflow automation. Fields can be used to trigger workflows and automate processes. For example, you could create a workflow that sends an email notification when a specific custom field is updated. Data integrity and accuracy. Fields help to ensure data integrity and accuracy by providing a structured way to capture information. This can reduce errors and improve the reliability of your data. Think about a manufacturing company, for example. They might need to track specific product specifications, such as material composition, dimensions, and weight. They could create custom fields to capture this information, ensuring that all relevant data is stored in NetSuite. Or consider a service-based business. They might need to track customer preferences, such as preferred communication methods or service delivery times. They could create custom fields to capture this information, allowing them to provide a more personalized customer experience. The possibilities are endless. So, how do you actually create a custom field in NetSuite? The process is relatively straightforward. You'll navigate to the Customization section of NetSuite, select the record type you want to add the field to, and then choose the data type and other relevant settings. You'll need to consider things like label, the name of the field that will be displayed to users, ID, a unique identifier for the field, type, the data type of the field, store value, whether the field's value should be stored in the database, display type, how the field should be displayed to users, access, who should have access to the field. You can also set up validation rules to ensure that data is entered correctly. For example, you could create a rule that requires a specific format for a phone number or email address. And remember, fields are not just for data entry. They can also be used in saved searches, reports, and workflows. This allows you to leverage the data you've captured to gain valuable insights and automate your business processes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.